Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download and install StrongHer app on mobile phone, which is an app based on fitness workouts for female. To do so, follow some simple steps which I will show you guys. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for StrongHer. You can see the application here. Click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to download depending upon the internet connection. Here you can see the app has been downloaded. Open it and enjoy its features. Click on Allow to track your activities. Now you can click on Get Started to use the application. So this is how you can download this app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.